Hey friend, it's Merv himself. You know, I done a whole video on how to salvage your car's AC heater blower to save you from buying a new one if it's been acting up. And if you haven't seen it, you'll want to check out the links below. But if you've been struggling because your car AC fan switch only gives you one speed, you might know the problem is your blower motor resistor. But did you know there's a way to fix it without breaking your back? Well, this secret tip comes from Ryan, part of our loyal legion of followers in the People's Republic of California. Check it out.
Merv, it's Ryan from Irvine, California. Look, we're having a beautiful Californian day. I was so inspired how you fixed that Mustang AC blower, my 07. It's been having the same issue, white, just like the one in the video. And today we're fixing the motor and the resistor. So let's just jump right into it. You see here I got with me my signature Merv equipment, patent pending back cushions, and our, just cover that up. This is our own personal safety ramp. These are straight from mervserve.com.
Hold on.
Not a sponsor.
Hold on to me. I'll pause it. We ain't got no store that sells contraptions like that. Folks, I just want to let you know, this here feller's being funny. Although I am curious if we can buy this crap and mark it up, you know?
Yeah.
All right, DeMillie, let's see what he does with this.
We're gonna set this up to be our back support. Now you see this little gap here. This would be tough for someone to lay on. So we're just gonna take our patent pending back cushioners and just lay those right on top of there. Get on under that.
Oh, that's actually a good idea right there.
Like it's the chassis of your father's 88 Chevy.
Whoa, DeMille, pause it a minute. Whoa, back it up. Yeah. Is that flesh-colored Kevlar there? Or
No.
That's what I thought. Bare feet.
Yep.
No, sure, it's all fun and games till somebody drops a 400-pound anvil, isn't it, Ryan? All right, hit it.
I would say Merv makes this look easy.
Oh, sweet Mary, Mother of God.
It's obvious where the motor is, though, right?
Oh, yeah.
I'll pause it. Actually, no, it ain't obvious where the motor is. DeMille, can you put up a picture of what that motor looks like up under the dash? Yeah, right there. So the folks know what to look for. See, it's got a big bulge. It's real obvious where your fan motor is, and there's just usually 2 or 3 screws that hold her in up under there. And it's a very tight space to get up into. And a lot of people say if your resistor keeps blowing, even though you don't realize it, your fan is probably also going bad, and replacing them both at the same time is a good idea. So just get a good grip on that big bulge and screw the dickens out of it till you get the kind of release that you need. Oh, wait. Yeah, whatever. Go ahead.
How's that back feeling?
It feels great.
Much obliged.
There's a new one.
That guy's a genius, huh? Observant.
Tell you what, back doesn't hurt, but you get a little dizzy.
Merv would say this is therapeutic and relaxing.
Merv has nothing to do with his spare time.
Yeah, F-bomb kicking in 3 minutes into the project.
All right, I can tell that's not going to be fun.
No, it's fun to watch somebody else struggle for a change, ain't it? Wait a minute. I want you to imagine if that hit his stupid foot.
Woo!
Actually, this kid's pretty clever.
This in first, then your head. Ow. I think I turned off the light with my head.
Never mind. Yeah, I'll tell you, trying to fit both hands up in there is the trick.
What's the difficult part of this?
Mm-hmm.
God.
Wait for it.
Keeping your glasses on your face.
Bingo.
See a damn thing. Can't.
Oh, God. Comfort. That's a real hurdle you got to get over. And just lighting conditions.
You know, I've seen a lot of grown men laugh in desperation like that, right before passing out.
You know, I hope you have a lot of patience.
He's right.
You good to work in craft spaces?
Mm-hmm.
It's good. Mother.
Knows all the DIY words.
It's good to have a good sense of humor while you're doing projects like this.
Got a good vocabulary on them. Uh-huh. This feller kind of reminds me of myself.
The other two are in the hole, and this does not want to go. Oh, it's further. It's a lot further. This is the Blower Resistor. It's got a lifetime warranty, and this thing gets shot about every 3 months. We got to do this maintenance, so we got a lifetime warranty. They're losing money to us. No concern to me. Now, once you get up under here, you're gonna see the general shape and where the screw holes need to be. Don't bother getting a shot of that. So you want to thread your screws ahead of time. Ow. Okay. Maybe not.
See, now to me, this part's actually trickier than the motor itself.
That's what we're working with.
A long-handled nut driver, it works better to hold it up in there. I'm not kidding.
Now, I found the screw hole immediately. It was like leading a horse to water.
You cramped up under there?
No, it's very spacious, roomy. Ford said, hey, let's give him a little wiggle room to work with.
What's he doing? Is this a part where he realizes he done something stupid?
I'll have to stuff those wires up there.
Of course, folks, you got to remember to clip the wires back into place. It's real obvious where they go up under there.
And it's that easy.
He's got it. He's got it.
I would recommend this job to contortionists, Circus Soleil performers, anyone that doesn't care about the health of their own spine. But it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You want to start it? About as easy as making Thanksgiving dinner.
Ryan, minus 3 PBRs for your lack of protective wear, but them ramps was a good idea to save your spine. So plus 4 stogies on that, and that's a net positive. And you got yourself a Merv Serve t-shirt coming your way, buddy. Be sure to chime in, folks, and let us know your experiences with doing repairs like this. As always, feel free to post your flowery praises or brutal gripes in our comments section, because remember, you are the most important part of our DIY adventure. This is Merv, and I'll see you next time. If you want to contribute to the Mervolution with a YouTube-alicious video, hit me up here on Twitter, or send an email to dvvantigo@gmail.com to get all the steps you need to know. Our DIY videos show you what to really expect, because things don't always go so smooth. We got something for everybody, so be sure to like and share.